So for this tutorial, I want to show you how to use another ScreenFlow project and copy some of the elements over into the existing one that you're working on. So let me go ahead and I'm going to open one over here as an example, and I'll do the Marshall Stanmore review here. So I'm just going to double click on that, and you can see that just opened up this review. I'm just going to resize things a bit so you can see a little bit better. But let's say this is great because it can save work. And so let's say you're working on a review for me and you want to kind of keep the same theme or elements. Let's find something here as an example. Sometimes I will usually do here we go. Here's a speaker comparison as an example. Let's see if there's another one. Reasons to consider something else. Okay, so this is kind of cool. Let's watch this and so you can get an idea of what it will do here. So I transition to white. Oops, let me mute that. So then we have the picture come in, and then I'm talking, and as I make that first point, the first point fades in. And then as I get ready to make the second point, speed along, the second point will fade in. And then as I get ready to make the third point fades in. And then you can see I have all the beginning and ending transitions. Everything's all done right here. And what I might do is I'll just split this to make this easy. So this is the white portion, that white background. This is that top text portion. So again, it's all right here. What you can do is just basically highlight all of this and Apple C to copy it. Come over here, and wherever you want it to be, go ahead and Apple V, paste it in there, and now you've got this same effect here. Whoops, let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. There we go. All ready to go. So let's say you wanted to do that with one of the images for a review you're working on. You can go ahead and maybe delete this one, and instead we'll bring this one in. Enlarge it, and whoops, I mean this is kind of looks nice too, but just to keep the same effect, we'll go ahead and reduce it and do something like that or whatever, but you get the idea. So rather than having to recreate this and recreate all these effects, you can just copy what I've done before kind of as a template, bring it over, and I guess for that matter you're probably going to want to change the wording, but still you can just go in here and change that. So if you prefer something that's designed more for portable use, so reasons to consider something else. If you prefer something that emphasizes the base less, and then if you want this to, when you hit the space bar, it doesn't space over, so you have to hit return and then back up, and then you can space bar it over there. So now you can go and again change the text to whatever you'd like it to be, but that's a lot faster than having to go through and recreate all these effects on your own. So that's how that works. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Definitely something to leverage. So if you see any of my videos, and let's say you're doing a review video for me and you want to keep some of those same elements you saw in one of my other reviews, and if I didn't already get you the template for that, let me know, and then I'll be happy to share that with you just to save you some time. So hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.